This is the home screen of the DigiGait Imager software. The DigiGait Imager software allows us to capture data from our animals while they are running on the treadmill. On the home screen here, we can see the ventral view video, which shows the bottom of the mouse's feet. This is the main data output for the DigiGait and is used to generate all of our gait metrics during analysis. Above that, we can see the data capture frame rate. For this setup, the videos will be captured at 186 frames per second. Typically, we are aiming for above 150 frames per second. To the bottom, we can see some options for settings. This video is already set up properly, so we will not go through those options now. If you need help setting up the DigiGait, please reference the setup video. Before beginning data capture, make sure the speed is properly set on your DigiGait treadmill. The DigiGait treadmill allows us to control for speed across our experiments and is adjustable anywhere from 0 to 99 centimeters per second. When you're ready to begin capturing data, click on the record button and then turn the treadmill on. Watch as the animal runs on the treadmill and look for some segments of walking that you want to save and analyze. When looking for data, we are hoping to capture about 3 to 6 seconds of good quality walking from your animal. Once you've captured enough data, you can turn the treadmill off and click Stop. Next, we will want to click on the Edit button in the bottom right corner to go and save our data. On the Edit screen, we have the option to play back the video we just captured. The goal here is to find a 3 to 6 second segment of the video that we want to save and analyze. Let's begin by playing back the video, using the play button, and watching just the raw video on top. We will discuss the black and white video later. Look for good, steady walking from your animal. We want to see the animal recruiting all 4 limbs for the duration of the video. We want to make sure the animal is walking and not stopping, and we want to ensure all 4 paws are in view of the camera. When we find a portion of the video that we want to save and analyze, we need to choose our starting and ending frames to highlight that portion. Find the first frame of the video where you want to start and click on the From Frame Number button. Then continue playing back the video using either the play button or by scrolling through using the slider bar and arrows. Then find the ending frame of the video and click on the To button. You may need to adjust your ending frame or starting frame a few times based on the length of video that you're aiming to capture. The length of your video based on your starting and ending frames will be displayed in the bottom right corner. This is where we are aiming for about 3 to 6 seconds. To play back just the portion that you've highlighted using the From and To buttons, you can click the Play Selected button. Using the Play Selected button allows you to double-check that the portion of video you're indicating to the software to save looks good. Playing back the full video will take a few seconds. The playback speed is slowed down to give us a better view of the pause, so we can ensure that we're happy with the video we're about to save. Next, let's take a look at the black and white video. This is a preview of the digital paw prints that the software sees. We can use the red and black sliders to adjust the thresholding on the paws to get the best version of the paws as possible. Seeing this preview acts as a checkpoint for us before moving on. If we aren't able to isolate the paws from the rest of the mouse and the paw prints don't look good here, then the video isn't going to analyze well. This would tell us that we need to go back and change some of our settings so that we can see the paw prints better. If the paw prints look good here, then that indicates that we are on the right track and can move forward. You can also play back the video again, using the Play Selected button to watch the digital paw prints throughout the whole video. When you're happy with your video and ready to save, we can input some information on the right-hand side. Enter the ID/tag number, which will be used to automatically name the video. The date of birth, gender, and weight are all optional. Ensure that the correct species is selected and then make sure the correct belt speed has been input. If you ran the treadmill at an incline or decline, you can enter that here, and if you just ran at horizontal, you can leave it at 0. The comments, username, and study name are all optional as well. Now you can click Save and a window will pop up asking you to confirm the belt speed, incline, and species. The belt speed, incline, and species are important to properly calculate our gait metrics and to ensure we know what conditions the animal was tested under. Click Accept and a Windows Finder folder will pop up for us to save. The DigiGait computer is specifically configured for these videos, so we suggest saving them within the D drive. I have a folder for today called Demonstration that I will be saving in. The software will automatically generate a file name for the video that has the animal ID, the speed, and the incline. Select Save and allow the video to save. These files are quite large, so they take some time to save. Now that your video has been saved, you can either move on to the analysis or continue the data capture by clicking on Camera. This will bring you back to the home screen where you can capture more data from the same animal or move on to another.